So we got a gimbal option today, and we're going to be installing that on the stove, getting us ready for when we set sail. It's going to be swinging. Clearly, as you can see from the forks, knives, and spoons, the mama bear was going to have some cleaning to do. There we go.
I really don't even know, because the igniter don't work. You know what?
Should we mess with that?
Let's come back to it. Oh, come on, man. Cut what I mean. This one's got plenty of stretch in it. This thing, that's not even hooked up to the stove. Is that just a sniffer? It's just a sniffer is all it is.
What is that?
A gas sniffer.
Where does the alert go?
Right here. So now,
That's about the best that I'm going to get it cleaned up so we can get this installed here. We could see we were going to need to make some room so that the stove could swivel. So Daddy Bear had some cutting to do. For those that don't know, the gimbal option allows us to cook while we're under sail. It does have a lock to keep it in place when we're not in motion, but it's super important to us that we can cook while we are sailing, and the gimbal option allows us to do so. Under sail or in rough seas, we will be able to cook with the gimbal option. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Make sure you join the crew over on our Patreon channel. Link is in the description. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.